Wait and see.
The biggest language models cost billions to run. You do not need a supercomputer cluster to even test them anymore. How does a small team actually deploy an enterprise model like GLM-5.2 across several separate GPU units? It's not magic, it's optimized infrastructure design. The key is pipeline parallelism. If you can understand this, you have essentially mastered AI deployment scaling. Most people think running a massive model means throwing more VRAM at the problem. That only gets you so far. Pipeline parallelism splits the computational workload across distinct GPUs in sequence. Each GPU handles a specific layer or block of the model's processing. Think of it as assembling an assembly line for computation. One unit processes the tokens, passing the resulting intermediate state directly to the next unit. This approach allows you to use specialized hardware like RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell units, ensuring that your system doesn't need one monolithic chip. It makes large models accessible. Developers can now run complex inference recipes on smaller budgets, moving the power from single points of failure to modularity. This is true AI infrastructure control. For those building their own LLM servers, understanding the scaling blueprint is crucial for efficiency and cost management. We've put together a full guide with step-by-step instructions, including the necessary configurations and software requirements in the description below. If you want to take advantage of this level of GPU optimization for your own projects, make sure you subscribe. We're Wait and See.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.